What if launching your next app, storefront, or game server took minutes and you could pay with Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrency? With AfriCloud, you can. We accept Bitcoin and 200 plus cryptocurrencies for high-performance VPS hosting, so going live is fast, private, and available worldwide. Why teams choose crypto with AfriCloud? Speed. Most networks confirm in minutes, and your VPS is provisioned automatically, typically under 2 minutes. Privacy and control. Reduce exposure of card details and avoid cross-border card issues. Flexibility. Pay with BTC, ETH, USDT, USDC, and many more assets across multiple chains. Performance matters. AfriCloud VPS runs on enterprise hardware with NVMe storage and modern CPUs, backed by a high-throughput network. Lisbon for strong connectivity to Europe, Brazil, and North or West Africa. Johannesburg for ultra-low latency across southern and parts of East Africa. Getting started is simple. 1. Pick a plan on africloud.com. Start small, scale as you grow. 2. Go to africloud.com/crypto to begin checkout. 3. Select cryptocurrency and choose your coin or stablecoin. 4. Send the payment on the exact network shown at checkout. 5. Receive your server details and deploy. Popular options include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and L2s like Arbitrum and Base, stablecoins USDT and USDC on multiple networks, plus Solana, Tron, Polygon, BNB, and Litecoin. From APIs and microservices to e-commerce, SaaS, data workloads, and game servers, AfriCloud gives you the performance to move fast and the freedom to pay your way. Ready to launch with crypto? Visit africloud.com/crypto to view supported coins and start your crypto-paid VPS today. Need guidance on regions or specs? Our Lisbon and Johannesburg pages outline latency and routes, and our team is here to help. Like, share, subscribe. Cheers!